Hi, my name is Ron Dehne. I'm from Axon, and we are here today at the Blue Line show in Mississauga, Ontario. Just over a year ago, we were Taser. We still are Taser, but what we have done is going from our early roots as a weapons company, non-lethal weapons that are used by law enforcement all over the world. As we progressed and got into some video capture along with our weapons, we changed the company's name to Axon, and that way we are not pigeonholed into a weapons company, and we are more a technology company. And so just a quick overview of some of the technologies that we have. Obviously, we started with our first generation weapons, and those have evolved, and now we're at the fourth generation smart weapons that we have. Our weapons are one of our devices, and when that device is used, it actually goes into our ecosystem, and it is kept within and shared among those that need to know. Included now with our devices are our body cameras that's worn on the upper body, gives the true officer perspective of a situation as it's recording it, instead of a middle of the torso perspective. We have in-car cameras now that will capture everything in front of or behind a cruiser. And it can be activated in many ways. It can be activated manually by the officer. It can be activated with our signal technology, which is any number of up to 9 triggers within the vehicle. Doors opening, weapon rack opening, light bar going on, those types of things. We have apps that we can put on our phone that at a crime scene you can record evidence, upload it into our back end. Evidence.com is that back end that manages that evidence. It gives you security of the cloud, expandability of the cloud, and it also gives you the ability to restrict that evidence to certain people within your organization, or you can share that evidence with people outside of your organization. Another capture device that we have is Interview Room. Interview Room is a recording device, obviously, that goes into interview areas. It captures all the interview data. No more burning DVDs, loading flash drives, and hand carrying them to the people that need to get that information. It can all be done digitally, securely, efficiently, while having a back-end system that logs every person that touches that piece of evidence in an audit trail, which is obviously also good for court. Overall, we are a technology company that is revolutionizing the way law enforcement does its job. Our goal by 2023 is to cut down officer administrative duties by 80%. That translates to officers on the street, interacting with the public, doing the things that they were meant to do instead of sitting in the station writing reports. Come see us, axon.com. We have a lot of information there. Give us a call. I appreciate your time today. Thank you very much.